colors all around me, so pretty in the sky, are also on the face of people going by. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. When two great things combine, it's a wonderful world. Nerds Gummy Clusters. Unleash your senses.
Gotta love it. What a wonderful world when you combine nerds and Shaboozey. And joining me now with more is Katie Duffy, Vice President of Global Brands at Ferrara. Of course, the company that owns the Nerds brand. Katie, welcome. It's great to have you. And what went into this commercial?
Well, thank you so much for having us this morning. We're thrilled to share our 30-second spot for the big game with you today. You know, this opportunity to return to the big game with a great advertisement for Nerds Candy is such an awesome opportunity. As you can see, our ad is all about a multisensorial experience, visually, musically, inspired by the vibrancy of New Orleans. Nerds Gummy Clusters transform Shaboozey's ordinary day into something unexpected, wonderful, and unleashing all of the senses. As you can also see, you know, it includes Shaboozey's unique remake of New Orleans native Louis Armstrong's timeless hit, What a Wonderful World. And Shaboozey, as a celebrity partner, really embodies the core campaign idea of bringing together unexpected combinations to really unleash your senses, just like his genre-crossing musical style. What a great partner for us to have involved. We also brought in musically an authentic New Orleans second line band to really complement the overall spot. We're thrilled to be back.
Katie, I got to tell you, we have some nerds on set here. These are the official gummy clusters, and I was trying some yesterday. These ones, in fact, they were quite delicious and a great game day snack. I must add, the Super Bowl is a massive event, and so why did your company, the company that you work for, Ferrara, want to return to the big game this year?
You know, we saw such a successful impact last year. We really had a lot of tremendous fan response to the Nerd Spot last year. When we look at our overall gains in household penetration, you know, we gained almost 5 points of household penetration in the last 52 weeks. And now we're seeing, you know, over 25% of US households are purchasing the Nerds brand. It's the #1 brand in the category. It's had tremendous growth, up 36% in the latest 52 weeks. And we know that all of the visibility of big game advertising brings more eyeballs to our brand with more opportunity to reach more consumers. So when you think about the 25% of households that buy Nerds, we see leading confectionery brands in chocolate, for example, have household penetration near 50%. And so we see plenty of white space room for our brand and for our segment of the sugar confections part of the category to continue to grow.
Mm-hmm. And to that end, Katie, I want to learn more about this brand's incredible growth, how we've seen it rise and expand over time. What can you tell us?
Well, I can tell you that when we first acquired the brand in 2018, the brand was tracking to less than $70 million in retail sales. And in the latest 52 weeks, the brand is actually $869 million. It's been a tremendous growth trajectory for the business. And it's really because we've been able to bring a brand that is known and loved by consumers. And we have infused new life into the brand by making it modern, relevant. Bringing the innovation of gummy clusters to life has really helped us unlock a lot of growth potential. We also have seen that really everyday fans, celebrities, and influencers alike show their love for gummy clusters. And it's really showing up in culture in ways that we really could have never anticipated. We see people even mentioning on late night TV, including in national crossword puzzles, people dressing up as gummy clusters for Halloween. So the product has really taken off and infused a lot of life into the Nerds brand, which has really been an awesome journey to take part in.
We saw Shabuzi in that exclusive look at the Nerds Ferrara Candy Company Super Bowl ad debut just a few moments ago. Katie, what are some of the big name celebrities and brands that have really infused these Nerds gummy clusters into culture?
Yeah, you know, one of our original biggest hits for the brand was an organic Instagram story that was posted by Kylie Jenner in 2021, shortly after the product launched. She has tremendous exposure with a social following that's in the hundreds of millions. So to have that kind of traction right away, we've seen Lil Wayne, Travis Kelce, Bubba Wallace, people from all different areas and interests in all walks of life have really brought visibility to our brand and to our wonderful Gummy Clusters product.
Lastly, Katie, I want to hear more about the marketing efforts that you're putting into the Super Bowl this year.
Yeah, thank you so much for that question. We've got really expansive plans with 360-degree support. So you'll see Nerds Candy showing up in paid media. We've got an awesome digital social plan, of course, our TV creative that we shared, as well as a holistic retail and shopper marketing program. We have a whole thematic around Make the Rivalry Sweeter, and consumers can now find 2 limited time offer Nerds Gummy Cluster products in store, 2 flavors that are unique for right now. One is Grape Strawberry Blitz, and the other is Berry Punch Rush. We've got, of course, consumer overlay sweepstakes where you can win awesome football themed prizes as a part of that activation as well.
Katie Duffy, Vice President of Global Brands at Ferrara. Our whole team here is going to be joining these Nerds Gummy Clusters leading into the big game, and I'm sure afterward as well. Katie Duffy, thanks so much.
Thank you.